Hi everyone, Lee Lowell here, smartoptionseller.com. Just wanted to make a quick video for some of you who may be the silver bulls out there, people who like to go long silver. I just want to show you a quick setup that was presented in the last couple of days. That is a very, very good bullish indicator or chart pattern on the charts that I just wanted to show you some of the things you can look for. So if you were long silver, wanted to get long silver, here's a very reliable pattern that you can look at. Well, on the screen here, these are the silver futures. The closest expiration silver futures May 2020, and right now they're trading about $15.55 per ounce on silver. But let me show you the pattern that was setting up. Something that's called a bullish flag pattern. And what we get here for a flag pattern on a bull run, you get a long, what's called a flagpole. You get this big up move, quick up move, a day or two. So you get this long flagpole. And this right here is the flag. It's a very reliable pattern. Let's just draw it out a little bit. Get the long flagpole here. Okay, let's size this out a little bit. Make it a little bit larger so we can see what it looks like, and size it up here a little bit. So you get the long flagpole here, and then you get the pennant, which is the actual flag part. Okay, so let's edit these a little bit, change the color, change the width, make it look real nice, and we'll do this one as well. Change the color, change the size. Okay, so now we can see it a lot better. You got the flag pattern, long flagpole, pennant here, and then boom, up to the upside. So when you get a stock or commodity that makes a good move like this, has a little bit of a pullback, chances are it's going to shoot out above it. Now there's also, let me show you something on a website here. This is a website from chartpatterns.com. It's actually an old picture, but flags and pennants are very reliable chart indicators. And right here is the flag pattern, where you get the long flagpole, you get the pennant, and then boom, up to the upside. So it's a very reliable chart pattern. So how do we play it? So we're back to the flag pattern. How do you play it? Well, if you're bullish, there's lots of things you can do. You can actually buy silver futures contracts if that's what you like to play with, or you can buy stock. And one of the things we can use is the SLV, which is the silver ETF, trades just like a stock. Let's pull up the chart here, see what it looks like. If my chart would pull up. Sorry, I had a little bit of a connectivity issue. So here's the SLV chart, the silver futures ETF. Now, this doesn't trade 24 hours a day, pretty much like the silver futures. So you've got the close and the gap opening here, but you can pretty much still see it. You got the long flagpole, the flag pattern here, and boom, out. So you're looking at roughly $13.25 a share is where it made the move out of the pattern. How do you play it? Well, like I said, you can buy these SLV ETF shares. You can buy some call options. You can buy call option spreads. You can sell put options. You could sell put option spreads. One of the things that I did, I'm going into my Interactive Brokers account here. Some of you may have Interactive Brokers. I have the SLV stock here. So the broke out of the pattern around $13.25 per share. Now it's up to about $14.15 per share. So made some money on the upside there. Or you can play a bull call spread, which is what I did. And I bought an in-the-money call spread. I bought the $10 calls and sold the $15 calls for $3.19 per spread, which makes my break-even point at $13.19 on the SLV ETF. So $13.19 per share. So I'm in the money on this spread for May. And as long as SLV closes above $13.19, at least I'd break even. Anything above that, and I'm making money on this spread. So right now it's at $14.15 per share. In the money, this spread already. So that's just one way to play it. I just hope this video is helpful for any bullish chartists out there, the bull flag pattern is very reliable. This is Lee Lowell signing off.